In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best treadmills for at-home use. Whether you're a seasoned runner or just looking to stay fit from the comfort of your own home, investing in a quality treadmill can make the world of a difference. I've handpicked 5 treadmills that stand out for their performance, durability, and customer satisfaction. Each of these treadmills has received stellar reviews on Amazon, and they're perfect for helping you stay on track with your fitness goals. As always, I've included links in the description below so you can easily check them out after watching. First on our list is the NordicTrack Tseries 6.5S treadmill, an outstanding option for those seeking a high-quality treadmill that offers incredible value for money. NordicTrack is a trusted name in the fitness industry, and the 6.5 model in their T-Series line lives up to the brand's reputation for quality and innovation. One of the most enticing features of the NordicTrack T-Series 6.5S is the included 30-day iFit membership. This membership allows you to stream live and on-demand workouts directly on your treadmill, giving you access to global workouts and studio classes led by elite trainers. Your iFit trainers can auto-adjust your speed and incline via a smart Bluetooth connection, making your workout more seamless and engaging. This treadmill is equipped with a powerful 3.0 horsepower smart response motor that delivers effective speed, interval, and endurance training. Whether you're walking, jogging, or running, this motor ensures smooth and quiet operation, accommodating users of all fitness levels. The treadmill features a spacious 20 inches by 55 tread belt, providing ample leg and elbow room as you exercise. Comfort is a key priority with this model, and it doesn't disappoint. It features Flex Select deck cushioning, which allows you to customize the firmness of the running deck. You can opt for a softer, more cushioned feel to reduce impact on your joints, or choose a more firm surface that stimulates outdoor running conditions. Customization is further enhanced with the 10% one-touch incline control and 10 miles per hour smart one-touch speed control. These features let you adjust the intensity of your workout with a simple touch, enabling you to stimulate challenging outdoor terrain and push your fitness limits. One of the standout features of this particular treadmill is its innovative space-saver design with Easy Lift Assist. This design allows you to easily fold up the treadmill deck after your workout, making it a perfect choice for those with limited space. Additionally, the treadmill comes equipped with an auxiliary music port and dual 2-inch speakers, ensuring you stay entertained and motivated throughout your whole entire workout. With a 300-pound user capacity and robust build quality, this treadmill is built to last. It also comes with a 10-year frame assurance, 2-year parts assurance, and a 1-year labor assurance, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. It's clear that this treadmill is a favorite among fitness enthusiasts. Users consistently praise its sturdy construction, smooth operation, and the added value of iFit integration. If you're looking for a reliable, feature-packed treadmill that will help you stay motivated and achieve your fitness goals, this treadmill might be the perfect fit for you. If you want even more information, go ahead and click the link in the description. Next up, we have the Sunny Health and Fitness Premium Smart Treadmill. This treadmill is a highly rated option that combines functionality with smart features to enhance your workout experience. Sunny Health and Fitness is known for creating affordable yet high-quality fitness equipment, and this treadmill is no exception. One of the key features of this treadmill is its Bluetooth connectivity, which allows you to sync your device and listen to your favorite workout playlists or podcasts wirelessly. The treadmill also comes with built-in speakers so you can enjoy your music or audio without needing to wear headphones. This feature adds a level of convenience and enjoyment to your workouts that's hard to beat. This model also includes 12 preset workout programs that cater to different fitness levels and goals. Whether you're looking to burn calories, build endurance, or just stay active, these programs provide a variety of challenges to keep your workouts interesting and effective. The treadmill also features a 15-level automatic incline, which allows you to stimulate uphill running and target different muscle groups. This running deck is spacious enough to accommodate both walking and running, with a comfortable surface that absorbs impact and reduces strain on the joints. The treadmill's shock absorption system ensures that your knees and ankles and hips are protected during intense workouts, making it a great choice for users who are concerned about joint health. Another feature that sets this treadmill apart is its handrail controls. These controls allow you to easily adjust the speed and incline without having to reach for the main console. This makes it easier to stay focused on your workout and make quick adjustments as needed. This model also has a user-friendly LCD display that tracks important metrics like time, distance, speed, calories burned, and heart rate. The display is super easy to read and provides all the information you need to stay on top of your fitness progress. In terms of design, this treadmill is compact and foldable, making it ideal for those who need to save space in their home gym. The treadmill features a soft drop system, which makes it easy to fold and unfold the deck without any heavy lifting. This is a great feature for anyone who wants a treadmill that's easy to store when not in use. With over 5,000 positive reviews on Amazon, the Sunny Health and Fitness Smart Treadmill is a popular choice for those looking for a treadmill that offers a great balance of features, performance, and affordability. If you're looking for a treadmill that provides a smooth, comfortable workout with the added benefits of smart technology, this is a fantastic option. Make sure to check the link in the description to find out more about this product and see why it's a good fit for you. Coming in at number 3 is the XTERRA Fitness TRX 3500 treadmill, a premium option that delivers exceptional performance and features without breaking the bank. XTERRA Fitness has a reputation for producing top-tier fitness equipment, and the TRX 3500 is a shining example of their dedication and quality and innovation. This treadmill is designed with both serious runners and casual users in mind, offering a sleek, foldable design that maximizes space efficiently. The deck of this treadmill is 20 inches by 60 inches, providing ample room for comfortable stride whether you're walking, jogging, or running. This makes it a great choice for users of all sizes and fitness levels. One of the standout features of this treadmill is its powerful 3 horsepower motor, which ensures both smooth and quiet operation at even high speeds. This makes it ideal for home use, especially if you're working out in a shared space or during early or late hours. The motor's robust performance supports a top speed of 12 miles per hour, catering to a wide range of workout intensities. The TRX 3500 comes equipped with 30 preset workout programs, offering a wide variety of challenges to keep your fitness routine dynamic and effective. These programs are tailored to help you achieve specific fitness goals, whether you're focusing on weight loss, endurance building, or cardiovascular health. Additionally, the treadmill features 10 levels of electronic incline, allowing you to customize your workouts further and stimulate outdoor running conditions. The backlit LCD display on this treadmill is easy to read and provides all the essential workout metrics, including time, speed, distance, calories burned, and heart rate. The user-friendly interface makes it simple to track your progress and stay motivated throughout your workout. Another standout feature of the TRX 3500 is its cushioned deck, which incorporates XTERRA's extra soft deck cushioning technology. This design reduces impact on your joints, making your running experience much more comfortable and minimizing the risk of injury. It's an excellent feature for those who are concerned about joint health or are recovering from previous injuries. In terms of quality, this treadmill is solidly constructed with a durable frame that supports users up to 350 pounds. Despite its affordable price, the treadmill feels sturdy and reliable, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to enhance their home gym setup. This treadmill is a top contender for those seeking a high-quality treadmill at a reasonable price. It offers all of the advanced features you need for a comprehensive workout without any unnecessary extras. If you're in the market for a reliable, feature-rich treadmill that delivers top-notch performance, the TRX 3500 is an excellent choice. If you want more information or are ready to buy, go ahead and click the link in the description. Next up is the Orinar Under-Desk Treadmill. If you're looking for a treadmill that seamlessly fits into your busy lifestyle, this under-desk treadmill is a fantastic choice. Designed for maximum convenience, this treadmill allows you to stay active even while working from home or the office. Its compact, portable design makes it easy for you to integrate into your daily routine without taking up too much space. The Orinar treadmill is powered by a 2.5 horsepower motor, which provides a smooth and quiet experience. Whether you're walking, jogging, or running, this treadmill is perfect for those who want to keep moving throughout the day, as it's designed to be used under a desk or in a small space. The noise level is low, making it ideal for use during work hours without disturbing others around you. One of the standout features of this treadmill is its portability. It's lightweight and easy to move around, so you can easily transition it from one room to the next, or store it when it's not in use. Despite its compact size, the treadmill offers a solid build and can support users up to 300 pounds, ensuring a stable and secure workout. The treadmill features an LED display that tracks essential metrics such as time, speed, distance, and calories burned. The display is clear and easy to read, allowing you to keep track of your progress throughout your workout. The treadmill also comes with a remote control, making it easy to adjust settings without interrupting your stride. This feature is particularly useful when you're working at a desk and want to make a quick change without reaching down. One of the major advantages of this under-desk treadmill is its versatility. It's designed to be used for walking, jogging, or light running, making it suitable for a range of fitness levels and activities. Whether you want to get some steps in while answering emails or take a quick jog during your lunch break, this treadmill has you covered. Another feature that makes this treadmill stand out is its easy assembly. Unlike many treadmills that require extensive setup, this treadmill comes fully assembled and ready to use right out of the box. This makes it a hassle-free option for those who want to start their fitness journey without delay. The compact design also means that the treadmill can be easily stored when not in use. It's slim enough to fit under a bed or against a wall, making it ideal for those who are in a tight space. The built-in wheels add to its portability, allowing you to move it around with ease. This treadmill is a popular choice for those who want to stay active while balancing a busy lifestyle. Users praise its quiet operation and easy setup, making it a reliable option for home or office use. If you're looking for a treadmill that's perfect for multitasking and can fit easily into your daily routine, this treadmill is an excellent option. For more information, or if you're ready to buy, go ahead and click the link in the description. Last but not least is the Goplus 2-in-1 folding treadmill, a versatile and innovative option that's perfect for those with limited space or who want a treadmill that caters to both walking and running. Unlike ordinary treadmills, the Goplus 2-in-1 Superfit treadmill offers 2 distinct modes to meet your varied fitness needs. When the riser is folded down, it functions as a jogging machine with speeds ranging from 0.6 miles per hour to 2.5 miles per hour. When you raise the handrail, it transitions into a running treadmill with speeds up to 7.5 miles per hour. The speed unit can easily be switched between miles and kilometers via the app, making it adaptable to your preferences. Powered by a robust 2.25 horsepower motor, this Superfit treadmill delivers a smooth and ultra-quiet operation, allowing you to walk or run without disturbing others. Its sturdy and durable steel frame, combined with multi-layer shield design, provides excellent shock absorption and noise reduction, ensuring a quieter, safer, and more comfortable running experience. This makes it an ideal choice for both home and office use. The treadmill features a 5-layer non-slip running belt, offering a spacious running area of about 40 inches by 16 inches. This design provides an effective and safe cushion for your knees and muscles, enhancing your overall running experience. The multifunctional LED display clearly shows your time, speed, distance, and calories burned, allowing you to monitor your progress in real time and keep track of your workout data at a glance. For added convenience, this treadmill comes with a phone holder, remote control, and a smart app control. The phone holder allows you to watch videos or chat with friends while exercising, while the remote control lets you adjust the speed and stop the treadmill instantly. The smart app control is perfect for recording exercise data and connecting with other users, enhancing your workout experience. Despite its powerful features, this treadmill is really easy to move and store thanks to its compact, foldable design and built-in transport wheels. It's designed to fit easily under a desk or be stored away when it's not in use, making it a great space-saving solution. Plus, it comes ready to use straight out of the box with no installation required. This treadmill is a top pick for those seeking a versatile, space-saving treadmill that offers both walking and running modes. If you're looking for a treadmill that can easily fit into small spaces and provide multiple workout options, this might be an excellent choice for you. If you're ready to buy or want more information, go ahead and click the link in the description. That wraps up the top 5 best treadmills for home use in 2024. Whether you're looking for a high-end model with all the bells and whistles or a compact, budget-friendly option, there's a treadmill on this list that's perfect for your needs. These are excellent choices for helping you achieve your fitness goals at home. Be sure to check the links in the description to check out each treadmill and see which one is the right fit for you. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more recommendations and epic deals. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.